First of
corruption in judiciary?
First of all, I am not aware of any of the facts. If the Supreme Court Collegium is seized of the matter, the Supreme Court Collegium will take action on it if they wish to take action. I mean, I'm not aware of any of this. I have also read it in the newspaper. So I don't want to comment in any way one way or the other. But certainly the issue of corruption within the judiciary is a very serious issue, and this is not something that has been articulated by senior counsel and lawyers in this country for the first time. It's been going on for years, and public statements have been made. So I think that it's time for the Supreme Court to start looking at issues of how the appointment process should take place, that it should be more transparent, appointments should be more carefully done. There's another judge of the Allahabad High Court, as you know, against whom the Collegium called him for an explanation, and he chose not to respond to their direction that he should apologize. This is what I've heard. I mean, I'm not myself privy to any of this. And thereafter, the Supreme Court Collegium has kept quiet. Now, that also sends a wrong signal, if these facts are correct. If these facts are not correct, then of course my statement is also inaccurate. But it sends a wrong signal. That means that a judge can say what he wants to say, and conduct himself in whatever manner he wants to conduct himself, and the Collegium will remain silent and not take any proactive action. That also sends a wrong signal to the public at large, because corruption is a serious issue, not just within the judiciary, but in society. At large, corruption is a serious issue amongst public functionaries. And corruption has, despite whatever our dear Prime Minister has said, has increased. And आपको याद होगा कि जब ये लोकपाल की एजिटेशन हुई थी, तो मतलब कि सभी राजनीतिक दल कांग्रेस पे आरोप लगाते थे, और फिर ये लोकपाल की लेजिस्लेशन लाए भी, और आज तक कुछ हुआ? मतलब कि सरकार गिरा दी गई, और उसके बाद इन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। ना केजरीवाल जी ने कुछ किया, ना प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कुछ किया। एक लोकपाल को बैठा दिया, और वो तो आप देख ही रहे हो क्या करते हैं। तो ऑब्वियसली ये मामले बड़े सीरियस मामले हैं, और सिस्टम्स जब तक इन प्लेस नहीं होंगे तब तक